What's up, friends? I hope you're having an amazing day today. Are you looking for some pet glove wipes because you don't like the normal wipes and you still need to wipe down your pets, maybe help them groom themselves, or maybe you have an oily medication that you're applying to the ears or eyes, maybe you need to wipe down your pet and you don't want to use a normal wipe? This one here is coconut scent, and my pups absolutely do not mind the very, very light, very minor coconut scent. It is very easy to actually use these. They pretty much are just gloves, and you can completely reseal this to where the wet gloves completely stay wet. So these are for dogs and cats, plant-based and lick safe according to the packaging, and you do not need to rinse these off or reuse them or anything like that. It's basically, what the actual packaging is claiming. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. It basically turns your normal cleaning routine into basically petting and, bonding with your pet. So let's give it a try. There are 12 of these pet glove wipes in here. And again, it is a very light coconut scent. It's not very strong, from Pawsono. And this did actually come with 3 packages, 12 a piece. So we're looking at 36 gloves in all. These are honestly really useful. One thing I wasn't expecting was how wet they actually are. So be prepared for that. It does not, in my opinion, smell like a artificial coconut smell. It's a very natural, gentle smell. And the glove is a bit awkward. It's kind of like oversized, so it kind of fall off if you have smaller hands. But, overall, it works really well for basically just like getting into the ears. You can even see that his coat is like shinier, and it definitely is like a wet wipe. Definitely not going to be a dry wipe, so don't get it if you're expecting that. But, in my opinion, it might be an easier way, especially maybe for my cat, who might be a little bit harder to actually get to take a bath, for example. This would be super easy to actually give them a bath, so to speak, help them groom themselves, help them clean themselves up, but without actually tossing them in the shower. So I like how it's plant-based as well. That's really awesome. And overall, I like the packaging and how travel friendly this is. I could bring this with me somewhere. I could put this into another container really easily. So yeah, definitely one that I would grab again, or that I would recommend to my friends or family or colleagues who have pets. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See ya.